Inside OpenAI.com, the epicenter of the intelligence revolution. If the internet is the highway of the 21st century, OpenAI.com has become its most important destination. What started as a modest research landing page in 2015 has evolved into a global platform that defines how we work, create, and think. In 2026, visiting OpenAI.com isn't just about chatting with a bot. It's about accessing a suite of world-class cognitive tools that bridge the gap between human intent and digital execution. More than a chat box, the ecosystem. When you land on the homepage today, you aren't just greeted by ChatGPT. You are entering an integrated ecosystem of frontier models designed for every facet of life. 1. ChatGPT, the super assistant. The flagship product has moved beyond reactive Q&A. With the release of GPT 5.2 and the new proactive Pulse Digest, ChatGPT now functions as a digital twin. It doesn't wait for you to ask. It understands your schedule, monitors your interests, and prepares daily briefs so you can start your morning with the most relevant information already summarized. 2. Sora and DALL-E, the creative suite. The visual power on the site has reached cinematic levels. Sora 2 allows users to generate high-fidelity video with natively synced audio, while DALL-E has evolved into a professional-grade design tool capable of handling complex text rendering and brand-consistent styling. 3. The Developer Platform, API. Behind the For Business tab lies the engine of the modern economy. Thousands of companies use the OpenAI API to build their own agentic applications. From Codex Spark for autonomous software engineering to Whisper for real-time multilingual translation, the platform provides the intelligence as a service that powers the world's most innovative startups. The mission, AGI for everyone. Despite the corporate growth and the multi-billion-dollar partnerships with giants like Microsoft, the core of OpenAI.com remains its mission page. To ensure that artificial general intelligence, AGI, benefits all of humanity. In 2026, this mission is being tested more than ever. OpenAI has structured itself as a public benefit corporation, PBC, balancing the massive compute costs of training models like GPT-6 with the goal of keeping AI accessible. This led to the launch of ChatGPT Go, a low-cost, 8-month tier designed to bring high-level intelligence to once-in-MDX countries, ensuring the AI divide doesn't leave the developing world behind. The Safety and Governance Hub. As models become more autonomous, safety is no longer just a checkbox. It's a dedicated wing of the website. Visitors can explore the Teen Safety Blueprint, read the latest system cards, which explain how models are tested for risks, and toggle lockdown mode within their accounts to prevent their data from being used in future training runs. Why the domain matters. OpenAI.com has effectively become a cognitive operating system. In a world where we used to visit a dozen different sites to write, research, code, and design, we now find those capabilities unified under one domain. Looking ahead, the Agentic Web. The most recent update to the site introduces Operator, a research preview that allows the AI to use your computer and browser to complete tasks for you. This signals the next phase of OpenAI.com, a move away from being a destination you visit to a partner that visits the rest of the web on your behalf. Whether you're a developer looking for the next API breakthrough or a student looking for a personalized tutor, OpenAI.com is no longer just a website. It's the interface for the next era of human history. At Acme, you'll innovate, collaborate, grow, and ultimately thrive. We can't wait to welcome you to our team. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and get notified on daily updates.